Now we're going to look at how to compare different ratios. So for example, we have the recommended seeding on a package of grass seed is 200 grams per 9 meters squared because we know all grade 8s care about seeding grass. Now Carrie spreads 150 grams over 6.5 meters squared. No idea who Carrie is. Probably he or she. Let's see, doesn't say. Parents sent Carrie out to spread some grass seed, didn't really care, just spread some out. We want to know if that's more than, equal to, or less than the recommended seeding. And how do you know? Okay, there's a couple different ways we can do that. First way we're going to do it, we're going to say 200 grams per 9 meters squared. And then we're going to have 150 grams over 6.5 meters squared. I'm not going to say that they're equal because I don't know that they're equal, so we're just going to leave this space, but it's the same idea. Maybe we can do this. Are they equal? Okay, we're going to cross multiply and see. So 200 times 6.5, that'd be 1300. Let's change our colors here. Just give me a second. Let's go with blue. Okay, so my computer hates me. Not even the right lesson. Where are we? Sorry guys. Thankfully your pages don't jump around, but we've got 1300 here. And then 9 times 150, 900 plus 450 would be 1350. Okay. You'll notice I wrote the number above the numerator that I'm multiplying. So I multiplied 200. This is 200 times 6.5 equals 1300. And this is 150 times 9, which equals 1350. Always write it over the numerator. That means that this is bigger than this. So we can say that we've got that. So the recommendation is 150 per 6.5. No, that's what Carrie did. Recommendation is 200 over 9. So Carrie did more. This is more. Because the number above that ratio, or sorry, this is a rate because we haven't talked about that, have we? A rate has different units. So here I've got grams per meter squared, ratios of the same unit, only difference. So this is more than the recommended setting or seeding. Okay, if we look at this on the another way, we've got 200 grams per 9 meters squared. I want to know how much that is per 1 meter squared. So I'm going to find a unit rate. So all I have to do, we're solving for x. So there's two different ways we can think about it. We can just divide 200 by 9, or we can cross multiply. Let's just cross multiply for the practice. 200 times 1 is 200. And I'm just going to leave my units out. And then I've got 9x. Then I'm going to divide by 9. And I have exactly what I had before, which was just 200 divided by 9. So I kind of did a lot of work for nothing, but it gave us some practice in cross multiplication. So 200 divided by 9 is not going to go evenly, but it's 22.22 repeating. So 22.2 repeating, the bar. Okay, and we're going to compare that to what Carrie did, which was 150 grams over 6.5 meters squared, which is, we're going to call that y over 1 meter squared. And now we'll just do it the easy way. So 150 divided by 6.5. So 150 divided by 6.5. Throwing in my calculator, I get 23.08. Rounding up because it was 0.76. So if we look, this is bigger. So 23.08 grams per meter squared is bigger, so the crocodile mouth is going to it, is bigger than 22.2 grams per meter squared. So again, this is what Carrie did. This is more. So Carrie's putting more seed per meter squared than is recommended. Again, I've shown you two methods here. This is probably, the second one here is probably the one you'll want to go with for most of you. But I wanted to show you this other one because I think we've talked about it a little bit before, and it is also a common method. So that's example 1.